What's up, traders? How's everybody? I'm just jumped in short, 3,500 shares, huge position on AMD. Seen a top a couple times right here, 1980, and right now this thing's fighting. The only thing I have against me is I have some volume coming in. So right now, as you can see, I'm down like $100, but I'm gonna be patient with this. It's a kind of a big position, you guys, like a $40,000 position. So I'm gonna chill. I'm trying to collect between 1960 and 1951. So next support is around 1962, 61. I might collect like half if it goes there, and if it goes the rest, I'm trying to test VWAP. I'll cover the rest of that VWAP if it doesn't crash through VWAP. So let's see if we can finally get some sellers coming in, and gonna be patient with this, you guys. So watch the level 2, you guys. Watch the buyers and sellers. Hopefully this thing gets stuffed again. There's a lot of supply in this area. This is my risk area where I'll be cutting losses. So about a 2-to-1 risk reward. Need some green volume to finally come in. Bull's been holding this thing up all day. I'm anticipating a little crack right here. So let's see what happens, you guys. Gonna chill for a second. My average cost is 1970. So I'm gonna cover like 1,500 shares when it goes down. Hopefully to my support. If it goes down, I see some buyers at 1968 though. I'm gonna take some profits, you guys, just in case. There we go. A little too early. Got 2,000 shares left. Want to see this thing really go down to 1960, possibly 1951, testing VWAP. Right now it's under the 9 EMA. Got some buyers coming in. Trying to hold this thing above the 9. Maybe a few shorts covering. 1965, some decent support right here. I want to see it crack 1965. Trying to uptick, you guys. Trying to uptick. Sellers not having it. You can see all the sellers coming in. We got a huge wall of buyers right here in 1970. I might buy 1,000 back if this wall of buyers doesn't drop off. If it upticks to 1972, I'll buy 1,000 back. So watch the bids, you guys. I'm gonna cover if it doesn't drop below 1970 and goes up to 1972. Here we go, looking like a good downtick coming in. Trying to be a little patient with this. I really want to see a crossover, VWAP, 9 EMA crossover going down on the way down, not on the way up. Here we go, nice hard drop, nice drop. Nice drop to 1966. Gonna buy 1,000 back. Locking in profits. Locking in, you guys. Take profits along the way, just in case this thing ramps back up. I want to see this thing crack to 1965, really. I haven't been uploading, you guys. I've been doing a lot of trades lately. Been up and down, up and down. I haven't been uploading because sometimes I'm like, it just happens so quick, so I don't get a chance. Here we go. We're testing 1965, so we should go to 1960 if it breaks 1965. I really wanted to see it to go to 1960, then 1952, which is VWAP. Still on a kind of a little downtrend, making lower highs. Don't want to see it break into this little downtrend. Or the 9 EMA, really. How much shares do we have? We have 1,000 shares left. I think I'm going to take 500 off. Just in case it breaks through the uptrend. Let me just watch the level 2 for a second. Down tick. Looking like a decent down tick. Actually, 400 shares. 1967. Let me make that 5. Let's see, we've got some buyers coming in. A few buyers coming in. Want to see this thing panic already. Having a really hard time at the 9 EMA. Few shorts covering right there, trying to crack the 9 EMA, trying to crack the 9. Got a little supply by the 9 EMA. I'm gonna buy 100 if it upticks past 1972. I'm gonna buy back 500 just in case, you guys. That's looking like a bullish candle right there. Just in case, you guys, this thing goes back up. Just in case it breaks the 9. We got some buyers coming in hard. Good drop. Good ass drop. Bid dropped off market makers at 1968. Let's go. Only got 500 shares left. Come on. Gotta be patient with this one a little bit. Still on an uptrend, kind of making a bull flag on the 30-minute. Really has to crack this little support right here, you guys. Y'all see this? Y'all see this little support right here where it held a few times? Like 1, 2, not exactly, but in this area. 1, 2, 3, right here. Held a few times. Because this right here was previous resistance, and then when it finally broke on this candle, now previous resistance became new support. So right now, if they crack the new support, guess what? New support becomes, previous support becomes new resistance. So if this cracks hard, this will become our risk area. So that's why I'm trying to be patient. I really want to see this crack. The buyers aren't trying to hold it above 1965, 1966. They don't want to see it crack. Shorts trying to push it below this area, possibly to test VWAP. It's a little overextended on the day, a little bit. So we'll see right here. We still got some high buyers, high green volume coming in still. Another little uptick. Here we go, dropping off. I want to see a little panic. Here we go, 1964. We got to see that break that candle. A lot of stop losses will be right below that low. There we go, some stop losses going off. Taking a little more profit. That's my first profit target area. I was just kind of playing it safe. Only got 200 shares left. Trying to see if we could get test of VWAP right here. Trying to see a little panic right here. We need to break this candle right here. There will be a lot of stop losses right here at this support. I don't see that many dip buyers coming in. You never know, it could bounce right here, but the volume's looking good so far for the short side. Could be wrong. 3-minute candle, 1-minute candle trying to base out. Here we go. And we are gonna test VWAP, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like it. Got a huge wall of sellers coming in at 1955. We might even crack through VWAP. We'll see. I'm going to try to stick to the plan. I don't want a lot of buyers to come in and probably scoop up some shares at VWAP. So I'm going to try to flatten out. Just waiting on the bid, waiting on the bid, waiting on the bid. It's looking like it's going to hold VWAP. Here we go, bid dropping off. More shorts attacking. A little more shorts attacking. A little more shorts attacking. Should drop off. Should drop off. Volume looking like, oh, we got some buyers stepping up. We got some buyers stepping up. Got a few buyers stepping up. Finally, a little uptick. Let's see what sellers decide to do in 1960. Could they get through there? Got a little wall of buyers at 1960. But I see a lot of supply in that area too. So trying to hold the last couple hundred shares, trying to see what it does. 1963 is my new risk area, 9 EMA, you guys. Cracks that, we're gone with the rest of the shares. You can see how close my target area came to VWAP. I just kind of like sticking to the plan, even though I kind of change it sometimes, but sometimes it's like you got to be flexible with this shit. Here we go. 1963, we don't want to test the 9 EMA. I want to see a lot of supply right here. There we go, testing it. Might flatten out. Nope, not yet. See this, you guys, right here. Trying to test it. Here we go. Fell again. Got a wall of buyers at 1960. They're trying to hold it. They just upticked back to 1960. They're trying to hold it up at 1960. I really wanted to go back to 1950. Come on. These buyers ain't having that. I might get out, man, if they keep trying to hold this thing up. I just want to see this drop off. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on, keep cracking. Keep cracking, baby. You guys could see the support right here, 1950. Really good support. If it cracks, it could really go down. If it cracks the VWAP in 1950 is really good support. So they're trying to hold it above there. See, now they're trying to take it back above this. I'm just trying to be a little patient. Because to me, the bigger picture is kind of on the downtrend still. Still making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Kind of bounced a couple times, but shorts attacked it. Our new trend is like right here. Not perfect, but you can see this little trend is going down. Our old trend is kind of gone. It's like a kind of a trend going down. Trying to make this. It's not a perfect. It's not perfect, but kind of want to see it stay in this channel to go down and then crack this. See a lot of sellers coming in, you guys. Huge sellers coming in. A lot of sellers. I want to see a lot of red volume bars come in already. Longs had their fun with this, so this thing should crack, man. Should crack if it cracks 1950. If they hold it at 1950, you'll see a lot of dip buyers coming in at 1952, 1950 right here. Still down ticking, a lot of sellers. Got to break the 1953, 1952 for it to go anywhere down. Buyer still trying to buy it, still trying to hold it up. Down tick. Want to see that 1952 break. Want to see the break of VWAP. Got a big buyer at 1954. Couple big buyers. 1953. Trying to hold it. Here we go. Testing VWAP. Let's see if buyers coming in at VWAP. Here's buyers. Here's the VWAP, you guys. Wow, just went right through VWAP. Let's see if they try to hold it. Wow, look at that, you guys. Went right through VWAP. We should see a little panic selling going on right now. If it doesn't hold VWAP. If VWAP doesn't reclaim, they're trying to hold it above VWAP. Doesn't look like it's going to hold to me. Level 2, watch level 2, you guys. Look at the bidders. Want to see them keep dropping off. Look at that. Look at that. Want to be a little patient, don't want to be greedy. Trying to watch level 2, see where this could base out at. This is kind of my target price. VWAP's my new risk. Got rejected by VWAP again, you guys. Look at the 1 minute candle right here. We'll see. Could test it again. That's why I got my finger on the trigger just in case. They're trying to, buyers, you see that? They're trying to push it above. See all that green came in? And then look at the red. They're trying to, shorts are trying to keep it above, under VWAP. So, let's see. Here we go. They just cracked it above VWAP. Let's see if it holds. Let's see if it holds. Let's see if shorts react or not. There we go. Look at all these shorts coming in. Look at these guys, you guys. You see them? Look at the times and sales. VWAP's about to fail. Kind of getting away from my plan right here. I just want to let you guys see this. Now look at a crossover right here. This is a bearish sign. So see this 9 EMA with the VWAP. If this thing crosses over, pointing down, we might see more red volume coming in. We might see more sellers coming in, more shorts coming in. Look at 1946, you guys. Bid still dropping off. Watch the crossover. Watch this line right here, you guys. Look at, they're trying to hold it above. They don't want to see the crossover. We don't want to see the crossover going up. We want to see the crossover going down when we're shorting. Now, look at there. There comes the crossover. You're going to see some red bar income bars, and this thing might panic to 1935, 1920. There we go. See that little line right there? Let's watch these two touch and cross over each other, pointing down. Let's see what happens. See that? See that, you guys? Sometimes you could predict this shit. Now we'll see if buyers react. Look it. They're not buying it. See that crossover? What happened, you guys? Red candle, bam. I'm out this bitch, you guys. 1942. I think I'm gonna bounce. Give me 1 second. I just want to see any buyers coming in. Any buyers? Any buyers? Still kind of panicking. Still down ticking. Next support is at 1940. Look at, they're trying to hold this thing back up again. See that? and I'm out this thing, you guys. $217.37. You guys see that? Quick action. It was a kind of long trade, but you seen this little drop on the crossover? On this one, AMD, it's not like a low flow. It doesn't crack that hard, but it could have. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to be watching this. It's still looking bearish to me. See, now it's officially crossed over, but we want VWAP to point down, actually. But you seen when that crossover happened, you guys see the red volume bars that came in. I just wanted to take my money and get the hell out this shit. I will see you guys on the next one. Questions, comments, you guys hit me up in the comments. Please like and subscribe. Peace out.